Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these coasters with some recycled materials. I hope you like them and let's begin. I'm using a piece of cardboard and a cup to draw some circles. Since I'm gonna be making coasters, I want them to have more or less the same size. And on top of them, I'm starting to draw some simple figures. This one, for example, is a gift box. This one is gonna be a snowman with a little hat. And I'm just tracing them with a black marker to be able to see them better. You can do any shape you want. Now I'm using an X-Acto knife to cut all around the figure. You have to be very careful with this step to not cut yourself. You can definitely use scissors, but I find them a bit difficult to work with cardboard. That's why I chose the X-Acto knife. But I'm taking my time, doing it slowly, even though it seems like it's a bit faster. And once you're done, they should come up like this. They don't have to be perfect, and with the help of a small pair of scissors, I'm just cutting some pieces of cardboard that I don't like. I'm also using some newspapers that I don't need anymore and just chopping them in smaller pieces. It's better to do it by hand rather than with the scissors. I'm mixing a little bit of school glue with a splash of water. And before gluing the paper, I'm just making some small cuts all around just to make the job easier. The smaller details are a bit tricky to do, but you need to cut the paper in smaller bits and just have a lot of patience. Once you cover all around the figure, you need to let it dry for a while and then continue with the rest. Now I found the recipe for a homemade queso, and I'm gonna link the video on the description below. You should definitely check the channel out. It's called Our Upcycle Life. Or you can use white acrylic painting instead. I'm just giving them a very light coat. And now for the fun part, I recommend painting all around the edge first. Let it dry and then start painting the surface. I'm using different types of acrylic paint. Some are more opaque than others, but it doesn't matter, you can definitely give a second coat, or if you prefer it like that, it's alright. I like to leave some transparency in some parts where you can see the letters of the newspaper. And for the details, I finally get to use my Arteza acrylic markers. I've had them for 3 years now and I didn't have the chance to use them. They are definitely very fun to work with, but you don't have to buy them. You can also use a very thin brush to paint the details, and you will need a lot of patience for that, but it was really fun for me. I know it can be a bit of a tedious process, but you get to be creative and that's the important. I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you again very soon. I wish you the best Christmas. Bye bye!